Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Greenstar. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot a 7 error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving M7 error code, there is a fault in the burner controls. Reset the boiler to factory default settings. To troubleshoot, try resetting the control board to factory default settings. You can do this by entering into the service functions by pressing and holding the wrench button until 1.A appears. Next, hold the Eco and the key button simultaneously until 8.A appears. Using the Eco or the key button, scroll until you get to 8.E. Press the button with the chimney sweep guide to enter this parameter. 00 will be displayed next. Now press and hold the button with the chimney sweep guide until you see a set of parentheses. The control is now defaulted to factory settings. If this does not correct the issue, the control board needs to be replaced. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.